Been working on cutting some dangerous trees around the property, just making it safe. It's crazy how dangerous some of these things are. This one burned and then high winds took it over. Nothing left. This one is still standing. Really dangerous, but check the inside over here. Everything green around it burned. Roots are very exposed. This thing could probably go anytime. You could actually see up in there. Just fried spruce and fir trees, birch. That one's completely scorched all the way to the tip. It's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun too. Get away from me. Woohoo! Found some cool stuff in the rubble of the fire. Shows you how hot it got. This is glass from the window. You can see layers just folded on top of itself. Melted glass. So, propane tanks for the camp stove. A couple of them burst. Just exploded. This one's cool because it looks like a bird. The phoenix. This one was weird. It's aluminum. That was some either aluminum flashing or pan or even just aluminum foil. Just melted into a blob. This one's cool. Same thing, aluminum. Just dripped into a little puddle of aluminum. Turned into a rainbow color. And then it has melted glass on the tip. I'm gonna try to use the hammer. Keep that. Maybe make my own handle from some of the trees around here. Metal spoon didn't warp too bad. But some of this stuff, this saw completely bent and twisted. The question is, how hot did it get for the glass to melt like that? Or even for the knives to turn this color? What temperature did it reach? I know it got really hot because there was no wood left behind. All the wood from the cabin was consumed. Bucket of nails. We're just going to rebuild on top of the rubble. Here's the entryway. There you have it. Till we get the cabin rebuilt, using the burnt trees that we had to cut down as my cook station. Just ripped the spruce tree. Makes a perfect cooking table. All right. End of the cleanup trip. We're gonna put gravel over here. All this burned. Got a whole bunch of firewood though. That's cabin number 1, cleaned up. All right. Got a bunch of trees taken down. Built the foundation. Come back up in a month or so. Finish it. Finish the new cabin, camping cabin. We'll be good to go. Bath time. You turn it off after?